Ka kenhun kinong hikai jong ka skul ba nihu kentup iksamla puli bat kinong tre jong kate ke jaka puli ke bahe tam hakajala hakasiba ar kila penlong da ke jingdeng lamayong bat ke jingki bajajar kum kada ke jing persya ya ke jing trekam jong vice chancellor nakaliang i professor ECM jong ka English department ilong bakar kom trekam jong teu VC kalong siliang bha la keno ru ba ya ki brio ki bai dei ukun tiu kat bai ki ba dei pat uweng no kentup i head department jong ka English
Kani kam day tang ki jong hikai, kani kari ka joint action committee jong ki hikai, jong ki office staff, but jong ki kanaskol. Te hang ni habang idan mentang idan lightly seng. Te ka jing yang jong i persya mentayo VC, kalong ke ikay ba fila yo ilupa hi kini ki placards mangibo, ki daw ki ba hadukat ni. Pagkaway kalong ba barosan snem ba ula along VC menta, dan kanu ka development. But kikam kiba ula le kilang kikam arsap kikam bamsap but kikam kibalong partial kidan ki brio ki nohikai ki nong trei ki bo sotanat u promote ki kidan pre ki ba ummon paderu ba usngo bi kilang ka jingjin thot ya ka kam ka jambu trei tu bo no sharot te kawai ka banga ko ban pini fi kalong ka jingweng ya I head jangi Professor Mala Ranganathan napo ke English department but ya I head jong ka political science Professor Shrikant kani ka de ka por badang dan ka pandemic haka por ba ladan kamingi bangin le ki online classes te haka por ba sedang ki online classes ka dan em ka jing thot ka jing bom so tho te ngihap an pensyai em kam tamli ubreu bashang shukile ude men pensong tho ten rei mdan kata ka jinga kren kata ka dialogue ka bari bandan kam shim dan ka shuwan bet kani ka removal but ka pensong si yang ikum ka department hadu kata namal mentangi la shu ya bet kum ne klem dani ai but la shimti no ai ka department na kiwei pat ki bomdei na ka department ka jongi te kani ka de ka wai ni kita henry gidan kiwei ru but haksan snem bo dan hangi umjudan ba shisen hakashibanai bo undan hakashibanai ude ben mi imat sau san sen reben lek umjudan in station te ngi perkhat kenya kata ba lasha lesisngi kani ka university kan lecture no kadi ka jongi em kadi ka university bengi haban ai ki khun ki jongi kadi ka taru but ka jing protest jongi mentaru ka long bangin ab yu bo unmi aka arulai tarik September kadi ka sngi ka bo ude ben step down tingi ab yu bun step down bo unum yo a second term lada one a second term kamot kani university kala job ki khun ki kiti ki kseu jongi kinum yo bentai te henry ka English department lele kelas dang ban shim ya ki online classes shua bakin wan shim pat kiwe te henry iban format ki kata ka rukam shim classes kadi ke eke bangi haban up ya ka jing batay na lor tingi la le la kale tingi up ke jing batay hakata ka jing ya kren usuweng la ka weng no
komod kani ke jingle ek online komod ba kampadi o jingbet no VC komod pyo banam
em ukeno bangi klem le ukeno ba I head jong ka English department I klem le ek online classes I klem bad ek jing instructions jong VC ban whole online classes whereas ki online classes le ki de ki bangi ngila le prashkata ti hangno ken kadon kata ka daw hangno kadon kata ka kadaw ba unla man remove ken halor kita ke namar hakapor jo ka pandemic kadi kapor ka ba ado kata ka senjam de kalong ngiru ngimpat perkhatang ba ka jinga khi tengan nang jurfi namar ula pen kathang ya baro ula pen kathang ula pen songsi but phin de ya ka university development index ru in shamba min shwangi poi ki nyau pho ngam dakan ma kan mentangi la poi shispa nyau pho something te nang teng in hiar shathete kalong basusi ro kata ta kam dan ai ru ban pen pa bu la trei ai ken na ka benta ki khana school khamtam nam tai khana school
habai keren bat kilap thai ku bor president kan hiuta professor mau ulo ong ba kum ka sunjung kin om aila satya bo te VC un punjlan ya ka samoi trei kam jung u ka badai ban kot haka apply trek mentau banai lapan paru ba kum ka sunjuk ki kwa bo te VC un mi no mardor maria kot ka samoi trei kam ka jung u
have to come out and show our peaceful protest against the various violations committed by the Vice Chancellor. Thereby, our university has gone down very, very low for the first time in Nihu history, thereby causing a big loss to our students, particularly for state of Meghalaya. The majority of the students are from Meghalaya, even though it is a central university. It's primarily because this Vice Chancellor wants to have extension of his tenure, either 1 year or 6 months. But we don't want even a single day extension, because for the first time we witnessed the lowest level of Nihu ranking by various parameters, followed by the various ranking framework. So he is the worst performer among all the Vice Chancellors. So why should we have such a poor, miserable performer even a single day? He has been also absent most of the time. Only during this COVID situation, he is here because of the necessity and compulsion of COVID-19. Otherwise, most of the time he's not here. And that is why our university has a free fall. Because of the Home Ministry COVID procedure, we are a little more than 20 only. Many more are there, but in order to follow the rules laid down by the Ministry of Home Affairs, we are only very limited, a little over 20. Demand now is that he should leave as soon as his term is over on 23rd September. He should leave peacefully.